Hi, my friends. Hi, my brothers and sisters. We are back. I am Kalki the Mage, and since today, every Friday, the same time, 5 p.m. Dubai time, we'll be here together, connected in the same targets. First of all, um, it's a truly pleasure to be here again, and um, I have one thing to tell you. A lot of friends always require me, return your lives in English, just speak in English, tell in English, and in the truth, the biggest part of my friends today, it's not of my nationality. So, yes, this is one of the ways, one of the paths that we can be connected, we can be together here. So let's make one thing together. Every Friday, the same time, we'll be here. I'll be showing for you the development from our job, the Solomon, our robot, our expert advisor. Yes, we have a machine that make money for us while we live. We need to make the money work for us, not against. Understand? Do you agree with me? So, um, this is one very important point. And the biggest party of every one of you, you win in a coin with more base, with more value than our, for example, here, Brazilian coin, real. Telling specifically, maybe you already lives in dollar, euro, Swiss franc. So this channel is also a confirmation, and we'll be together to talk about the biggest opportunities that we have in our front. Because when we have chows, we have money. When we have chows, we have some people crying, some people selling uh, tissues. So we need to understand and use the elements, the energy, and everything that we make in our lives in our favors. I want to reach you the best second half, the best second semester, and that this semester every target that you had that you didn't release will be done, that you have courage to go beyond, that you have and just start. Okay, anything, sorry for my English is not perfect, but you can understand. And the I have one belief: done is better than undone. When you want to make something perfect, sometimes you never will make it. So you just need to start. You need to be viable. You need to have energy. You need to put your energy in everything. But I don't know what you are passing. I don't know. But this is the messenger for the second half of this year. Give our paths, our ways for our Lord, and as soon as possible you will see His right hand in our paths. So, this is the beginning of our return. We need to have this belief, this understanding. Everything is energy. Anything happen without one cause. Why have you born? Have you ever answered this question for yourself? So, guys, other thing now, one of the next lives will be more objective. But today it's important we talk a little more because we have a little time that we didn't be here together. Okay, so it's an honor. Share with your friends in this channel. We'll be making forex operations in live time, in real time. Okay, we will lost money together. We will win money together. For sure, we will win more than waste. Because now we have this knowledge, this base. We passed all the troubles of this professional, talking about traders specifically, in the skins game. And today we are ready to share our truth with the world. So first of all, I want to honor our sponsors here. Okay, this is very important because of them, these are possible. Today, I want to honor ABC Financial Group. I am the ambassador here in Brazil and in Latin America of ABC. ABC is one of the biggest forex broker of all the world. We are in more than 102 countries. So, for example, when we look for the the stock market here in Brazil, we call it B3, B3, B3. You can make the operations in the actions of the Brazilian companies and blah blah blah. Okay, here we have, for example, XP. It's one of the biggest brokers of Brazil, but its broker just is in Brazil. This broker is not in other countries, it's just here. When we started to understand about Forex, we need to understand about regulamentations, about how we can save our money, our energy, our time, and go straight to the point. Because the biggest part of the time we want to find a shorter way. I don't know if it's the right word, but you understand it. We want to find a facility. We want to find um, a easy way. And in the truth, in this market, we don't have easy way. We have the right way. We have management, risk management, diversification. We need to comprehend, to understand that our money will work for us in currencies, in coins as dollar, euro, Swiss franc, and pounds. So that's it's for it that I'm here, to show you this way and the truth about the market. Okay, we are in a very interesting time now. Remember of what I will say now here. Take note about it. Seriously. 2008 2008 will be a joke near what we will pass in the next couple of days. What is your belief? We are living in a PC full time, or we are living in a time of war, of chaos? What? What's your belief for the next happens? The expansion of the war or the peace? I will tell you one thing. We are living a false peace. And with it, we have a lot of opportunities that we can enjoy and making money for our families. This is very wonderful. We are hunters of opportunities. And I will show you someone of that I believe. Okay, so that's it. By the other side, we know that the Hormuz channel opened, um, but we need to understand that we are with half traffic yet. Uh, what means in the Hormuz channel? Normally, it passes uh, 20 million liters of petrol, and now it's just passing 10. In 1 week ago, it was passing. Um, it was passing around 6 by 7 thousand million liters. Oh, this is a lot. Okay, but we need to understand that anybody is stopping, and we are just in this moment we are burning stock. If you understand what it means, in my vision, for the next scenario, we will have a very big movement in the petroleum that today is very cheap. For sure, we are living in a weak peace, but the scenario is not the same. We need to understand that more than 93% of the powerful generation of petrol is our burned, is exploded. It doesn't exist more. Don't exist. And for we have the same scenery. We are talking about years, uh, decades. I don't know the pronunciation now. Sorry, but it's more than 10 years. Just and sometimes 20, 30. So we don't have the same power of generation, and what um, obviously should happen with the petrol for the next century. This is the right point. You understand that it can cross 100, 112, 115, and go beyond. So petrol is one of the best opportunities that we have in this scenario now, in my opinion. One of that. Other one, it's gold. Gold, yes, gold can drop until 2,800. If you remember, a lot of you, someone of you enjoy this growing of the gold that we have. Someone of you make profit with us. You know that I'm talking about this growing years ago. Oh, now the gold is dropping. Yes, I am buying more because I'm not looking for a short period. I'm looking for years in my front. So this is my point of view. You need to understand um, you need to understand where you are putting your feet. You need to understand how is the ground. So in the forex market, I will show you some developments that this is development of my life. Okay, so it's an honor to be here showing and sharing with our world this possibility of changing. That this robot, yes, it can change your life. It can make you start a live another level of your life. Until today, you can be surviving, but after Salomon, you will live. So this is the point. You already win in dollar. You already win in Swiss franc, my friend. So it's time to make bigger steps. If you feel it, just contact me and let's talk. Um, Petroleo is one opportunity. Other one that I am buying every week and sometimes more than twice and thrice a week is the Iran coin, real. Oh, it's a little crazy, yes, for the moment. But when the next set will come in our reality, you understand that I'm not so crazy as maybe you're thinking. I am talking, oh, you will not put the money of your life in the Iran coin. Don't make sense. But for example, you have 1,000 that I have this 1,000 that I can invest. I can bet, let's say better in this in this situation. Not talk about the market. Market is strategy, is um, financial engineering. You understand? It's different. But if you have some money that I can make something here. Because when the next act will reflect in our reality, you can have sure we can have an increase, a multiplication 30, 50, and maybe more. It's like that the people put money in the coins. I wasted a lot of money with these shit coins. But Iran coin is a currency, is a coin. Don't have value today. So buy it. And maybe tomorrow you can make a good profit after you send me a gift. Okay? Or when we will be face to face, you pay me a coffee. It's the minimum. Okay? The other one, I already told about gold, about petroleum, about Iran coin. The other one that we are looking now is the Swiss franc. So some part of my money, for example, I am passing for Swiss, and I'm passing for Zurich straight. Um, and some operations that we have today is in Swiss franc. Okay, we have another broker that we will share a movement in the next couple of days. You will see it here. Okay, and one of the biggest of the world. And I already worked with them. You already know this broker. So I will share in the next couple of days for you. Okay. Um, let's go. I will share now my screen. Okay. Now it's sharing my screen. I enter here in one VPS. Okay. Here I have one account. This is mine account. Okay, my name. And here we have Solomon working alone. Okay, it's one of the examples here. We already make 4,000 in this operation. Okay, but it's not the point. Let me open here. It's another. Yes, it's this one. We are share our operations in VPSs. We have some operations in high risk, someone's in conservate mode. Okay, that we have a performance around 3 up 5% monthly. This in my FX book comprovated. Okay, so this is the Solomon. Okay, now I will show you the new version. Okay. Oh, here is one of our biggest operation that we have now. We are with a very good profit here. You can look with me here. Okay. Let me show you the. It's in the other VPS. Just a moment. Oh God. Sometimes we forget. Yes, the number. Yes, with 185. Yes. Here we have some. Okay. So here you can see, for example, this is the new vision, the new version of our expert advisor, our robot. And for who don't know, this is Solomon. It's a robot. It trades alone. It makes trades while you are sleeping. It makes money for you while you are sleeping. Okay. For you know, the robot is a code. So this is a project that we have been working for these last 7 years, and now we have the synchronization with the artificial. Today we are with the most high technology. Include together with my robot, we have artificial intelligence. Call it APOPHIS. This artificial intelligence is connected with the economic calendar, and it make right actions. For example, oh, yesterday we have a payroll. The robot knows how to understand that we have a payroll because it's in the economic calendar. And but this is very nice. For example, if you have some movimentation, if we have extension of the war in 1 minute, we have choice on the market. Automatically, our robot will stop and we will start to work under the management of risk. So today we have truly machine to make money in our favor here in our front. That's a pleasure to show you here a little of our operations here. Okay, these other operations, for example, we also make 6,000. Okay, with the robot, this operation, for you know, we started day 22, if I remember well. Yes, you can see, no, day 19 June. Okay, today we are 3 July. So we are talking about 15 days, almost half month. You understand the powerful the machine that we have in our hands. Now it's turned off. Yes, it's in the weekend. We need to withdraw the profit past saving the other account. This is management. This is just some steps that we make today as professionals. Okay, so by the other side, let me see here. Okay, it's in my favor, the operation in petrol. Okay, let's enter in other account here. We will make operation together here in petrol. Okay. Oh, you are live. Is you are live. Give hi for the people. My little baby, my princess. Isis, 3 years. I have Bernard with 8 also. This is family and my wife. So is everybody have their own goals, their own why, let's say, and you need to understand. You need to dominate your thinkings for your life and go for the same path. For example, if you want to be in determined level in your life in 5 years, what you are making now for in 5 years, you will believe in it. What will be the sacrifice that you make? What will be the courage that you need to have? Okay, so this is important, and sometimes you need. Sometimes this is an answer for someone here. You are thinking, oh, I go. No, I will keep. No, go. The answer for you is go with all your courage. Everything is in his hand. Remember it. Okay? You are son of God. And it means that the biggest part of the people, this is not the reality in the biggest countries, but in every country you have people in the it's not the poor line the right word, but is in the how can I say, um, is in the worst situation that you can imagine. Here in Brazil, for example, we have a lot of people that live on the street. So we need to dominate our thinkings for our results will be the same that we are hunting. Okay, so remember it, and remember that we are a son of God. Live as a son of God. Everything is possible for him. Just a moment. Deixa eu vir aqui numa conta de. Oops. Let me come here in. Okay. Let's together now. Come with me. If you don't know, this is the MT5. Okay. MT5, MT4 is the only platforms connected and authorized by the central banks for you make forex operations. Okay, you need to understand what is the broker. Okay, for it, I will enjoy this moment, stop everything, and I will honor our other sponsor, WIKIFX. WIKIFX is the only, um, how can I say in English? Uh, uh, is the only validating system, validating organism that you can have sure where you are putting your money. For example, maybe you are putting your money in a fake and in a fake broker, and you don't know. In WIKIFX, you can easily, and look in the descriptions. Okay, I just will translate for in English the descriptions of this video, but have the link here. WIKIFX, you make download in your iPhone, your smartphone, wherever. It's free. Okay, make your download as and search the broker that you are investing your money. Use WIKIFX. Protect your money, protect your energy, protect your time, and build in the stone. This is the way. Okay? So let's go, guys. I will close this small operation that we have now here. Okay? It's already closed. Okay, now it's closed. Now I will make it. Come with me. Exbrand. Oh, just a moment. We live in the front of the sea, so sometimes the internet makes something live. But I hope that you are seeing me well, that you are listening well, and let's go. My friends, let's adjust the template here for we have a better visual. Okay, now it's so much better. What I will make here, I will buy petroleo. Okay, now we are with Brent. Okay, $71 the liter, the gallon. Oh god, I really don't remember the word. Okay, you understood. You understood. Let's go. 71. 71.9. Look with me what I will make here. Look. I will put a stop losses. This is a limit. I am putting a limit in my losses. If the market go against me, I will waste $2,077. Okay? This is important. All the operations you need to understand how much you can lose. And understand, in this market, you will use the instability to win your stability. It makes sense for you? In the chows, we make more profit. In the chows, we grow. In the chows, we go beyond. Okay? And let's go. I have a very good news to give you in the end of this live here. But we will make operation together first. Tá? Okay? Let's go for the next one. The next opportunity that I'm looking here, okay, also in gold. Until the end of the day, let's see here where you can get 67. This operation I will make now like a swing trade. Swing trade is one operation with more time. I will open now this operation and I will leave it open. We'll look it in the next week together here again. Okay? Now we have here $52,000. Okay? For coincidence, in this account, we are in losses. Okay, after I will show for you in my FX book also. I will leave in the description also of this live in the next one my all my FX books. Okay, with the reports, the results in real time, updating every day, um, for you see, and you can get idea of how profitable you can multiply your money with our robot and with our management. Okay, more than it, we have in English yet we have a VIP meeting room in the WhatsApp. Okay, we have just 5 people there. Okay, that are traders, um, and every day we make we trade together. I will open. I will leave the link of this group in the next lives. I will share it for with you. Okay, but you have the opportunity to be with me every day with updates about the war, about the time, about the opportunities that we have, the results that we are getting. Okay, on the market. So it's a very big, good opportunity for you to be together. And now it's not just for this small group. We will open it because I know that I have a lot of people that want to learn English. And if sometime we cross it, our roads, I don't believe in coincidence. I believe that God connect and disconnect everybody in our life for one bigger cause that in the biggest time we don't understand on the moment. But I am here and I am starting this movement. I want your help to win scale. So share with your friend. If your friend wants to trade in Forex market, let's let's together, let's win, let's waste together, let's laugh, let's cry together. Okay? So this is the point. And more than it, uh, every week I'll be here in the first moment, just Friday, okay? And the same time, 5 p.m. Dubai time, okay? And after we can put more on, but it's a I am restarting a moment here. I am recovering, and I ask her help for winning scale, and every week we'll be here together. Okay, so this is one of the points. The other one is for the next year. Since February, we'll be again together in Dubai. Okay, so we will launch our office in Dubai and in Singapore. So if you are in Dubai or Singapore after February next year, just contact me and it'll be a pleasure. We drink a coffee together, we pass some time and make money. This is one of the main goals that we have today. For sure, this is not the first, but we know that it's important we have a healthy financial life. It's important for your family, for um, your youth, for your energy. We need money to live, and money makes money. So now we have here a machine to make money. By the other side, we have some opportunities as you are looking here now. We are now winning $32. If you are in Dubai, I can pay you already a Zatar, a Matkafta Zatar. The biggest, the biggest. Just kidding, joking. But yes, sometimes I have this passion, let's say. I love Arabic food. I love. And today it's Friday. I will give bye for you. I will go in the capital. We are here in the northeast of Brazil, and I will find an Arabic restaurant because I'm really sometimes you know where when you are needing to eat something specifically, make it today with your family. Go in some place different, some place that you have never have been. When was the last time that you have been in a place for the first time? I don't know why I'm talking about it, okay? But it's Friday, okay? So let's go. I just will adjust the template here on the gold. Now we are with the gold chart here. Here we are talking about gold. We are talking about gold, for example, talk today we are talking about 4,165. 4,166. What is my vision for the gold? We can have a drop yet, but I will buy gold. Or just I need just to change the time. Just a moment. One stop like this is inconsequent. Totally. Let's adjust it. Or I will waste $3,000. Just a moment. 3, 2, bandeira. Aqui. Here. Or I will waste 5,000 in this operation. Okay. Or I will have a profit. A good profit. I will put limit on my operations for profit. No, I am a day trader. It means that every day I'm looking how is the gold, how is the chart, because we have today we have more than 32 operations, and we have operations that we win money, operations that we waste money, that we have profit, we have losses normally. Okay, we have operations that we have more risk and operations with less risk. We have operations that win a lot of money and operations that win a good but a real money. Okay, so this is the this is a very important point. Okay, now for example, I am making $100. I already can pay you five guys on the buy mall. Oh, come the money. Money is energy. If you run it behind it, it will get away from you. If you just stop, it comes. Get over here. Yes, I am with a very good humor. Okay, so we make two trades here in lifetime. Let's see with let's stay together here until we make 1,000. Let's see if we make 1,000 together. On this operation, you should close it. Sign in. There is someone walking. Aqui, calma aí. Isso aqui tá lindo. Isso também. Parado. A gente fechou o mês agora, né, gente? O mês. The last month, oh God. The last month we are closing now, okay? In these operations that we are passing now here, okay? And yes, we are in the 3 July, but we are closing the month today, Friday, okay? Look how moves. We are almost we were winning 200, sometimes less. So it's very fast. Now we are with a very good volume here of buy and sales. While our operation win, the market just make it flows. Let's together get a look here. Okay, the draw of my wife. Oh gosh, comes on here, guys. I will open now my FX book. Okay, for you. See, for the moment, it didn't update for the close of the month because we are closing the month today. In the truth, in the biggest part of the operations. But we can see here, for example, here we can have all the operations that is with capital zero. Are you looking here? Okay. Let me just, okay. Oh, it's better. Just, oh God. Sometimes you are with, without the mouse. Oh God. Ah, tudo bem, sem problema. It's live, no problem, no problem. Oh, let's go. Here is the old operations that we have, that we just make migration of capital for new operations. Okay, here we can see, I will show you some new operations that we have now. This is one of the biggest that we have today. Okay, this is upon account real. Okay, real account. We have today $300,000 of profit. We will make the first withdrawal now, okay, in this operation here. So you can keep looking the how profitable is for an institutional operation with biggest capital. Okay, this is what I prefer to work with. You have margin, you have it's different, but you need to have heard sometimes. For example, there in that account that I show you, we have exposition of 13%. But this is enough to give a heart attack for the biggest part of the people of the world. So you need to understand. You need to win. It's mental. Understand? You need to expand your conscience, and the money will come together. It okay. The money is just the reflection. Okay, of your state. This we are in losses, so we have, yes, we have losses, but it's an honor to be more in profit. We are one account negative. We have more accounts negative. In the truth, it's not all the accounts that I put in my FX book, but here you can have a vision about some types of our operation. Okay. This we can put the robot in your money, in your account. You put your money in the broker, in your account, we put the robot, we run the robot. Okay, I will show you here our site also. Okay, here, so you can see. Let me just, it's better. Okay, now it's better. Yes. Oh God, how I make it. Okay. Now you can see better. Again, abstain again, daily, monthly, the draw, balance, heritage, profit, pips, deposits. Tá? Então here you can have a better vision, okay? You can search, you can put in the Google, like this, Kalki, Mago, Mage. Mago Portuguese. Okay, just change the last word here. Kalki Mago my FX book. If you make it, it's here. You see my portfolio. Okay, you see our performance in all these accounts. Okay, in real time, it for no, it updates every day. Every day, it we have updates here. Let's see together. Just a moment here. Let me translate for English. Sorry for don't. Here you can see balance, the draw, the post, withdraw. So now we will make the first withdrawal here in these accounts. Now that we closed the month. But you can see in all the accounts, 10 hours ago we have updated. Okay, so it's this. Let's return. Okay, so we have today, for example, this one was one of the best months of my life in trading. You can see today how profitable 650. Okay, since the close of the market yesterday. Uh, this week we make $32,000, my baby. Last month, $267,000. This year, in my FX book, after we linked these accounts, $364,000. So this is our results. We don't need to say anything more. Okay. Let me show you also my site. Just you put magokalki.com. Let's put in English here, just a moment. So here you can see, okay, a little about the energy that we are bringing. You can see a little about our services, what we make. Oh, I want to invest. I have 1 million to invest. You will talk straight with me. Oh, I want to learn how to trade. You can talk with our team. We don't have classes, Forex classes. We will make it free, basic. Okay, we have specific classes, but it's not the time to talk about it here. But here you can see we have high ticket management, we have PAN account. You can make part of one pool of investment with other investors. For example, that account that you have 1 million for almost 1.5 million dollars. That account is a PAN account. Have a capital that more than one investor is one family, but more than one. So it's a PAN account. You can invest. If you have up $2,000, you can enter in a PAN account. Okay, using and participating with the same percentage of profit and risk. Okay, and telling straight, clear, with no filters here. Okay, here, for example, we have a lot of investors that we have today. The biggest part are um, are not from my nationality. Um, oh, I have $50,000, more than $50,000. You can make a high ticket management with a VIP supporting. Okay, so you have my number. You every week we will connect and update about the operation. I will put my robots in your account, and I will win some percentage that we will agree. Normally it's 30%. It will depends about the money that you intend. But normally 30% of the profit it's my party. I will put my tools. I will put my robot. I will put my energy, and we will make money together. We will open a fount, a life fount of money for your life. Okay, and we can start it with less money also. If you have, oh, I don't have 50,000, but I have 1,000, we can make in the cents account. Okay, it's other kind, and you can make the same management. Okay, it's other type of business, but it's possible. Okay, I want to know about SALOMAO. Now we are with this new version with artificial intelligence connected, um, and here you can just let me put in English just a moment. Oh, sorry, I cannot translate now. I don't know why. Oh, yes, I can. Here, here you can understand more about my robot, about Solomon, um, about the technical parties, the strategy that we have in the robot today. Okay, and the mailing thing and the news talking about the management, the risk control that we have today in the machine, in the robot. Okay, so here you can see everything um, about the robot. Okay, you have the mailing points for you make alone the configuration, but for sure I never leave anybody alone. Okay, I will help you to start your operation. Okay, if you are a biggest operation, you will open a VPS, you make it together. Okay, but here you can see how nice is our job. You maximum of draw, maximum risk. We put in percentage, and after it, what we can make? Oh, stop new orders, close or invert studio. So understand this robot we have been working more than 7 years, and now we have something that is, how can I say, is unique. It's really true machine to win money, and it's not just a robot. Is energy. Understand? So it's this. Let's see how is our operation. Okay, that we make. I am lost in gold and winning in petroleum. The market is open, and the both operations have a limit of losses, so it's okay. I can stop everything and go to the beach to drink coconut water in this right moment because it's Friday. Okay, guys, it's a pleasure to be here. Let me return, and that's it. Guys, thanks so much for this moment. Next Friday we are again here, okay, the same time, 5 p.m. Dubai time, and it's always a pleasure. That God bless you and expand everything in your life, your paths, expand your business, your family, your happiness, and let's go. Good energy, good energy. A very big hug of the mage. See you until this moment.